Hi everyone. Today's our TED Talk is about what will happen to marketing in the age of AI. Its speaker is Jessica Apotheker, and it was published on 12th December 2023. So, as all of us know, that generative AI is poised to transform the workplace, but we still need human brains for new ideas. This is the thought behind Jessica. She explores here how marketers can find their niche in the world of AI based on their preference for data or creativity, offering a pragmatic and hopeful look at the future of business. So let's have a look at her ideas. The video discusses the transformative impact of generative AI on the marketing industry, comparing it to the introduction of word processors and spreadsheets. The speaker notes that while previous technological advancements led to increased output, generative AI offers a unique opportunity for a true productivity revolution in marketing. So, marketing traditionally a creative field, it is already adapted to digital marketing and analytics, and generative AI is now enhancing right brained creative performance with studies showing significant improvements. So, she here defines the marketing more with the right brain and left brain. So, a potential pitfall of increased productivity is content overload and a grand equalization of marketing, where AI generated content trained on existing data may lead to a lack of originality and differentiation. In order to counteract these negative outcomes and leverages AI's potential, marketing departments need to develop a left AI brain by strategically reskilling and reorganizing, embedding data scientists and engineers who can build and utilize predictive AI tools. Companies should also look beyond their internal data and collaborate with external data and content partners to avoid market stagnation and successfully target new consumer segments. It is crucial to protect and nurture the true artists, differentiators, and innovators within marketing, enabling them to use AI for inspiration and rapid prototyping, but not for originating core ideas to preserve brand identity. Here, Jessica encourages marketers to choose their path, either cultivate their creative superpower as innovators or specialize in tech skills and predictive AI competences. So, this TED Talk effectively highlights the significant shift generative AI brings to marketing, moving beyond mere efficiency gains to a potential paradigm shift in productivity. The analogy to word processors and spreadsheets is apt, setting a historical context for technological disruption. So, a call to individual action here is the speaker encourages the marketers to specialize either in creative innovation or technical AI skills, which provides a clear direction for career development in the AI area. So, the broader social impact, while focused on marketing, the implications of widespread AI adoption, particularly the potential for job displacement beyond just routine tasks, could have been briefly acknowledged to provide a more holistic view. Thank you.